coming out. This is the baby one right up front. Right up front at Keel. Folkboat. Yes. I think it might be out. Here we go. See, the wood's loose. The wood is coming out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh wow, there you go. Oh, look at that. Hey. It needed doing, didn't it? Another wasted keel boat. Everyone's being more or less like this. Great. I mean, that is, it's lost about half of its thickness on it. It's alright where it screws in, that's untouched, it's okay there. It's where it's just above the bit where it screws into keel, going through the oak. Good. 4 out. And that's very good. Another one out. Four out. Free to go. I've been adding a bit of heat here. I thought it might help, so I've been steaming it, and yeah, that's hot. That is hot. The keel is hot there, so that maybe helped. Got a steamer going on both sides. Everywhere there's a red line, there's a keel bolt. So I'll replace them 4 that I've taken out. Before I take the others, everyone's out. And yeah. Job's a good one, as they say. Yeah, cool.